Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The given figure shows a rectangle ABCD which is inscribed in a circle. If AB is 28 centimeter and BC is 21 centimeter, find the area of the shaded portion. So what will be the area of shaded portion? Area of shaded portion. First we will write this. The area of shaded portion will be area of circle minus area of rectangle, right? Now to find the area of circle we need the radius of the circle. Now this is the diagonal of the rectangle, so we know diagonal of rectangle inscribed in a circle, rectangle which is inscribed in a circle is equal to the diameter of the circle. Okay, this is the rule. So diameter of the circle will be equal to diagonal of this rectangle which is inscribed inside the circle. So this is also 21. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the diagonal. By Pythagoras theorem, we will find the diagonal. So diagonal is BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square. Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So BD square is equal to AD square. So what is AD? AD is 21 का square plus AB is 28 का square, right? So BD square is 21 square is 441 plus 784, 28 का square. So BD is square root of 441 plus 784, that is 1225. So BD is 35 centimeter. This BD, which is the diagonal of the rectangle, is the diameter of the circle. So diameter of the circle is 35 centimeter. Now let's find the area of the circle. First we'll find the area of the circle. So area of the circle will be pi r square. What is r? 35 का आधा, diameter is half, that is 17.5. So this will become, area of the circle will become pi 22 by 7 into 17.5 into 17.5. Yeah, when you solve this you will get 962.5 centimeters square. Okay, so now we will find the area of rectangle. What will be the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth, that is 21 into 28, that will come out as 588 centimeters square. So what will be the area of the shaded portion? Area of shaded portion will be area of circle, that is 962.5 minus area of the rectangle, that will come out as 374.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of the shaded portion.